Hi guys, welcome to my backyard, and for the first step we're going to look for a stick. So let's go look for a stick. Oh, and it's nice and raining. Can you hear that rain? Guess what? I am wearing my galoshes. Let's see, looking for a stick. I'm looking. Do you see a stick? Yes, there it is. Awesome. We found a stick. And this is what we're going to use. Let's go inside. All right, so before we get started, what you're going to need is the stick that we found in the backyard. Some tape. You can have regular Scotch tape, duct tape, washi tape, some ribbon that you may have, or paper. And if you have pipe cleaner in your house and you don't have time to look for a stick outside, you can always use pipe cleaner. We have some scissors. I have a Lysol wipe to clean off my stick, but soap and water is just as good. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start with wiping down our stick. I'm just going to wipe that away. Okay. So if you have streamer, we're going to start with some streamer, or I will show you how we can use paper also. Just get some out. Oh, you could do about 3 or 4 streamers. Any color will work. And this is scrap paper that I have. So now we have our streams of paper, or like I said, you can do ribbon, streamer. So just gonna loop it. You can do as much as you want, so have fun with it. Now I have my stick, and I'm just going to tie it with my stick. I'm going to tie it around here. So there you go. Have some strings. Tie that. There's one part. Now, or you can use tape. You can tape them on there. The end of my stick. One. There's 2. And there is 4 of them. And now I have a fun dancing streamer. Now I'll show you with the pipe cleaner. I'm just gonna bend it. And here's some more paper. You know what? I'm going to add some of my washi tape. Because this looks like fun. You can make them big and small, like I said. It's fun to be creative. Wrap it around there. And then I just twist around here. And now I have a streamer. And then you just dance in the rain.